All right, Ledesma. Hope you're having a good day. We're going to talk a little bit about fact and opinion today, and of course, how to tell the difference between the two. All right, so here we go. Um, Facts. Facts are statements that can be proven, right? They could be true or false, but you can prove whether they're right or wrong. So a fact is that I teach at your school. Uh, you can prove that, right? You can look me up on the website. You could contact the principal and find out. You could attend school on any given day and see that I work there. So you can prove that I work at your school. Here's some examples of it. Statistically, women live longer than men, right? You can look up scientific information about that. Number two, most buses weigh more than most cars. You could literally drive them onto really large scales or weigh all of their parts on smaller scales, and you could find that out, right? Number three, there are 10 inches in a foot. Well, that's wrong. It's a false fact. It's a false fact. You can prove that it's wrong. So there you go. Here we go. Moving right along to opinions. Opinions are statements that you cannot prove, right? Opinions can be argued about. Reasonable people can disagree. Opinions may be supported with facts, but they cannot be proven, right? So here's an opinion. An opinion is all students should wear uniforms to school, right? That's an opinion, and reasonable people could disagree with that opinion, but they can't prove whether it's right or wrong. I could support it with a fact. I could say uniforms will make all of the students look the same if they're wearing them at the school. They'll all be wearing the same clothing. That's a fact. Trying to support my opinion that all students should wear uniforms to school. Again, people can disagree about it. So here's some examples. Golf is boring. Many people like it. Pizza is delicious. Many people don't like it. Math is the hardest subject. Many people disagree, right? So those are opinions. Moving right along, fact or opinion. Number one, according to sales records, strawberry ice cream is the worst selling of all flavors. Well, you're going to find out that that is a fact because you can actually look up those sales records and find out if it's right or wrong. Okay? Number two, therefore, we can conclude that strawberry is the least popular major ice cream flavor. Well, you got to think about that one. You have to think about that one. But you can conclude it. That is a fact, right? That's a conclusion you can make. And then number three, this is because strawberry ice cream does not taste as good as vanilla and chocolate. That one is obviously an opinion. Some people might like it better, right? So now here's some practice. Write down whether each example is a fact or an opinion. So for the next part, I want you to go look at the rest of the slideshow, and for each one, you're going to write a number one. You're going to write down whether it's a fact or an opinion, and you're going to explain why you know it's a fact or an opinion. Okay? And at the end of that, you can use the very last slide to check your answers. So go ahead and do this. Learn lots about it. Look for facts and opinions in everything you read. Have a great day.